everyone! This is Karen and I'm living and working here in Cambodia as a teacher and I'm loving every bit of it. People ask me why Cambodia and my answer is always simple. Why not Cambodia? Diba? Life here reminds me to slow down and appreciate simple joys. Kasi here in Cambodia, very simple lang ang buhay. Wala lang. Pasok sa school, work, bahay, char. Good girl yan. So, yun. So, what started as a journey became a home. Wala akong planong magstay dito ng matagal. Actually, pumunta lang ako dito to try. Tapos, hindi ko pa alam ang Cambodia. Ang alam ko na pupuntahan ko is, what's that? Colombia! Ang sinasabi ko sa, pag may nagtatanong, saan ka pupunta? I'm going to Colombia. Cambodia pala ang pupuntahan ko, I swear. So, Cambodia has become my comfort zone and there's something beautiful about the simplicity here, as in very simple ang buhay. The cost of living is manageable. There's a sense of peace here it's hard to explain sobra unless you've experienced it yourself. So, iniimbita ko kayo to visit Cambodia. Wala lang, mapapamahal lang kayo. Parang nasa Pinas ka din lang. I swear. So, I love it here. This is my second home, Cambodia. I'm here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Ayun. So, yeah. Let's try vlogging. kahit ano na i-upload natin. Di ba? Kasi monetize na. So, monetize na yung aking Facebook. So, yan. Kahit ano na lang i-upload natin, ha? Everyone, thank you! I took this video pala nung papunta ako ng school. Hindi ko alam kung anong araw yan, Monday or Tuesday, I forgot. So yan, papunta ako ng school dyan. So ang ruta ko lagi is, from bahay, bibili ako ng food, then food to school. So ayan, yan yung aking daanan. So ayan yung aking breakfast for the day. Nakabili na tayo, then we're going straight to school. Yun lang yung ganap ko every single day. So, yun. Bye-bye everyone again. Thank you. Buyers.